In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and fix voice chat and your mic not working if you're on a PS5. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if your game, voice chat, and mic aren't working here in Battlefield 6 on a PS5, don't worry, we're going to fix that. From the home menu, go ahead and navigate to the settings icon all the way up at the very top, and then go into your audio settings. First, and this one might seem a little bit obvious, but make sure your master volume is turned all the way up. If you're using a headset, also ensure that the volume dial on that headset is turned up as well. From here, scroll down until you see the voice chat option. Go ahead and make sure that you have voice chat enabled, and leave this voice chat position mode on auto. From here, turn the voice chat volume all the way up, and then just double check once again your headset's mute switch isn't toggled on. For this voice chat ducking option, go ahead and leave it at the default value, which is 25, and then make sure finally you set your mic mode to open mic. Now, speaking of your mic, I recommend adjusting your microphone threshold here by speaking into your mic, and it's going to pull up on this like little green bar here. You want to make sure that it's not too loud. But on top of that, speaking into this, test to make sure that your mic is actually working here. If it does keep picking up background noise, simply adjust this mic threshold because this is going to set how loud you need to talk before your mic actually activates. I recommend not setting this too high or your voice might get cut off. Just adjust it until it feels balanced. And finally, if you're still having issues, press the PlayStation button on your controller and go to your sound settings at the bottom and just make sure your volume's up, as well as check to make sure that your output device is your headset and ensure that mute game voice chat is off. If you've done all of that, it should be working, but if it still isn't working, I would recommend uninstalling and reinstalling the game, or even trying swapping your controller or headset to see if it's a hardware issue. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.